Hello friends, my name is Mohammad Farhan. I am studying in 10th standard. Today my topic is pair of linear equation in two variables, which is taken from maths. Before entering into the topic, I would like to request you please like, share and subscribe my channel. So, first we have three columns. In pair of linear equation two variables, we have only graphs. So we have to start from the basics. The first equation in linear equation is a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. It means here the given question is 3x plus 4y minus 2 equals to 0 and 6x plus 8y minus 4 equals to 0. It means a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. This is the first term. So it is a1 and this is also first one. This is b1 and this is second term. This is b1 and this is b2. The last one is c1 and this is c2. The first equation is a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. It means 3 by 6 is not equals to 4 by 8. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 2, 4 ones 4 twos. Here 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. It means a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2. We have to take all the three equations. The second equation is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 but not equals to c1 by c2. This is the second equation. The third equation is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. These are the three equations. In a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by c2, it is not equals. It means intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means the two lines are cutting at one point. In intersecting lines, the equation is consistent. Consistent. In a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2. It is parallel lines. The two lines are parallel to each other. So these are parallel lines. In parallel lines, the lines are not meeting at one point. So this is inconsistent. It means it has no solution. We have to take another box. Here, intersecting lines but it has one solution. So it is a unique solution. The second equation is parallel lines. It means the points are not meeting. So it has no solutions. And the last equation is a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. It means all are equal. In this it is coincident lines. In coincident lines, the lines have a number of solution, infinite solution. So it is consistent. Consistent means it has infinitely many solutions. Solutions means if we solve the both equations, the answer will get 0. In this equation, we get many solutions. The first one is only one solution, second one is no solutions. The answer will not get 0. And the last equation is many solutions. So these are the three equations in pair of linear equation in two variables. Now we will enter into the examples. Here the first question is 3x plus 4y minus 2 is equals to 0 and 6x plus 8y minus 4 equals to 0. Here the question is 3x plus 4y minus 2 equals to 0 and 6x plus 8y minus 4 equals to 0. First we have to find the solutions. Here a1 by a2 means 3 by 6. We have to not take the variables, only values. a1 by a2 is equals to 3 by 6. 3 ones, 3 twos. It means 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equals to, b means second values, 4 by 8, 4 ones, 4 twos. It is also 1 by 2. The last one is c1 by c2, which means minus 2. Minus, we do not have to forget the minus values. Minus 2 by minus 4. Here minus minus will get cancelled. 2 ones, 2 twos. Here the three values are same, which means a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. a1 by 2 is b1 by b2. It means the lines are intersecting lines. In intersecting lines, it means it is consistent. Consistent has unique solution. It means this equation has only one solution. This is the first condition, second, third, and the last one is unique solutions. So here we get a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. Now we will take a graph. We will draw a graph for these equations. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1. Here this place is known as origin. Now we have a graph. Don't forget to write scale. We have to write scale always when we draw a graph. Scale means this is a 1 centimeter. So we have to take 1 centimeter. We have taken 1 units. The difference is 1. So we have to write 1 unit. This is for x-axis. This is x-axis. This is x dash. This is y-axis and this is y dash. The second one is y-axis. In y-axis also the centimeters are 1 centimeters. And the units we have also taken 1, 2, 3, 4. The difference is also 1 unit. This is y-axis. Now we will draw a graph. The equation is 3x plus 4y minus 2 equals to 0. So first we have to find the solution for these two equations. 3x plus, we have to assume some value. Y we will take if y is equals to 1. If y equals to 1, 3x plus 4 into 1 minus 2 equals to 0. 3x plus 4 minus 2, it is 2, is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 2 by 3, which means that the value in fraction we have to do in decimal points. The answer is 0.6. Here it is minus, so we have to add minus 0.6. The second one is x is equals to 0. 3 into 0. 3x means x is equals to 0 plus 4y minus 2 is equals to 0. 3 into 0 means it is 0. 0 plus 4y. 4y minus 2 is equals to 0. Y is equals to, it is minus 2. If we transport it to right hand side, it will becomes 2 by 4. It makes 1 by 2. If we divide 2 with 1, we will get 0.5. Here we get two values for one equation. Now we have to take a table. X-axis and y-axis. First we have taken y as 1, so write 1, and the value we get is minus 0.6. The second equation is x is equals to 0, y we get 0.5. So first we have to draw the graph for these values. The x is minus 0.6. It means minus value is always in x dash. Minus 0.6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 means here it will come. The first point is minus 0.6 and the second one is minus 0.6 comma 1. 1 means here in y-axis. This is 1. We have to draw a line. It passes through the x-axis. Now we have to name the line as 3x plus 4y minus 2 equals to 0. Now we have to do the second equations. Find the solution for second equation. The second equation is 6x plus 8y minus 4 equals to 0. First we have to draw a table. X-axis and y-axis. If you have to take the zeros of polynomial, you have to take 0 here and here. Now we have to substitute x value in the second equation. The second equation is 6x plus 8y minus 4 is equals to 0. Here x is equals to 0. Which means in x-axis, x place we have to substitute 0. 6 into 0 plus 8y minus 4 equals to 0. 6 into 0 means 0. 0 plus 8y minus 4 is equals to 0. 4 will get transferred to right hand side. It will become plus 4. Y is equals to 4 by 8. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Y is equals to 1 by 2, which means 0.5. Here we get the value of y, which is 0.5. So here we have to write 0.5. Again here we have y value as 0. So substitute y value 0 in the second equation. 6x plus 8y minus 4 equals to 0. Y is equals to 0. 6x plus y0, 8 into 0 minus 4 is equals to 0. 6x plus 8 into 0 means 0 minus 4 equals to 0. This minus 4 will get transferred to right hand side. It will become plus 4. Now x is equals to 4 by 6. The value is in fraction, so we have to convert it into decimal point. So we have to divide it. 0.0, 6 6 are 36, 4, 0.666 it will go. So the value is 0.6. Here we get the value of x, 0.6. Now draw the graph for this equation. X is equals to 0, it means it will come in the origin. 0, 0.5. 0.5 means here. So here we get parallel lines. Parallel lines means a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. So the given equation is inconsistent. That's all. Hope you guys understand. Thank you.